Hello everybody, it's me again, Tarsher. Welcome back to our channel. So today we're cooking a quick and easy dish. It's called gyro. So this is a beef and lamb, which is healthy. So let's start. I'm using the garlic oil, of course. So, nasa sa inyo yun kung anong oil ang gagamitin nyo. Pero yung akin ay garlic. So, napakadali lang siyang lutuin. And of course, unahin natin yung garlic. And yeah, this is my family's favorite dish. And ihalo-halo na natin. So, it's time to put the onions. Ang bango ng garlic. Super sarap. Oh, pag maraming garlic yung pagkain nyo ay napakasarap. Ayan, madali lang siyang lutuin dahil yung slice niya ay napaka-nipis. So, lagyan ko na black pepper. Marami mas masarap. And as I said, this is my version. Lutuin ko lang konti yung sibuyas at saka bawang. Now, it's time to add the meat. Ayan. Kaya lang madali siyang lutuin dahil manipis yung hiwa niya. Ayan. Oh, the lamb smells so good. Ayan. Ang sarap niya. So, our gyro is almost done now. Actually, it's just another 1 minute. And this is already cooked. Look at that, guys. The gyro is done. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.